up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. In today's video, I am going to be throwing on some custom tail lights, and I'm so excited to finally be sharing this with you guys. My friend Lonzo at Wrx actually made these tail lights for me, and they're so beautiful. If you guys haven't already checked out my previous video, I included my reaction after I installed my headlights and my front lip, so go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. I have been running the Subieflow tail lights for some time now. I think it was probably one of the first things that I threw on my car, and I love them, don't get me wrong, but they are everywhere. Everybody has them, so I wanted to have something different, and this is definitely different. Can't wait to show you guys. Right now we are going to be working on the harness and getting all of that wired up. So we do need to transfer the lens from my old tail lights onto the custom ones. So because of that, it does need to dry. So I'm going to leave my car here for a couple days just for it to dry completely before we mount it on the car. So I am going to pick up the camera on Wednesday since that's my next day off, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. But I'm telling you guys, they're so nice, and he can do different styles too, so feel free to DM him or hit him up on his website and let him know what you guys want, and he will deliver. So yes, let's get on with this video. So as you guys know, these are the Subieflow tail lights, and I've had them for a couple years. I think it matches very well because of the white, but it's definitely time to switch it up. So I'm excited for you guys to see the new tail lights. I feel like you guys are gonna love them. Well, I hope you guys do. I am on my way to Lonzo's shop. I'm actually almost there. I'm gonna finish working on the tail lights and bring my car home. But I wanted to share a little bit about Alex's car. He actually got a few things done. He installed, what did you install?
I got a downpipe installed, I got a air intake installed, a charge pipe, and a T51R mod, which replaces the stock turbo housing, giving you some cool little noises.
It sounds so good, like listen. Again. It sounds so good. It sounds crazy though. It sounds really loud. Just enjoy it. I'm gonna do a little pull right now when we turn. But it sounds crazy. He went to Studio RSR and our friend Nick helped him out. But yeah, it sounds crazy. Here, just listen. Yeah, so it sounds pretty crazy, but just wanted to share that with you guys. Right now, like I said, we're pulling up to Lonzo's shop, so I'm gonna finish working on the tail lights, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I can't wait to share it with you guys. So these are my Subieflow tail lights, as you can see, and then Lonzo already got done with all of the harness and the wiring part. So this is a control box that controls everything, basically like the brain of the tail lights. And then as you can see, this power cord goes all the way up to the front, and it connects into a fuse box. And then this is going to be the connection obviously for the passenger side tail light, which he already connected there. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and switch out the tail lights right now. He basically did all of that for me, and then he ran the cord all through here, that way it's not visible, and then he connected it into the fuse box right in here. So everything's very sleek. Everything should be good to go. We're just gonna put the tail lights on right now, and then I'll show you guys what they look like. pumping right now. But I am obsessed with my taillights. They look so good. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Not only that, but Lonzo surprised me with one other thing and I couldn't believe it. What? Wait, what? Why are my eyes getting watery right now? Oh my god, it's so cute! I did not know that this was going on. You guys knew about this? As you can tell by my reaction, I was so shook when I saw what he did, but you guys will see it in a few moments. I'm super happy with how it turned out. Again, if you guys are interested in getting some taillights or anything done to your car, make sure to hit Lonzo. He knows what he's doing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys like my taillights. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at STILIZ and also follow my business page, Better Tomorrow. I will be launching some more things soon, so stay tuned. And stay tuned for my next video. I am going to be posting a more detailed video of what you can do with these taillights, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!
Bye.